The rainy window. It was a rainy Sunday afternoon. Lila sat by the window, watching raindrops race down the glass. She had planned to go outside, but the weather changed her idea. Instead of feeling bored, she grabbed her notebook and pencils. She started to draw clouds, umbrellas, and people jumping over puddles. The sound of the rain became her music. Her little brother joined her with crayons. "Can I draw too?" he asked. "Of course," Lila smiled. They drew side by side, coloring their rainy world with bright colors. Soon, the table was full of sketches. Their mom came in and said, "Wow, it looks like an art gallery." They laughed and taped the drawings on the wall. Rainy days didn't have to be gray. With a little creativity, they became full of color and smiles.